It's time for Remodel Minute, sponsored by Kalen Schmidt Design.
A well-designed bathroom adds both comfort and style and can increase your home's resale value. Classic designs have broad appeal and feel fresh for years to come. Think clean white and light colored tiles, simple hardware, and understated fixtures. Materials like quartz countertops and polished metal fixtures will give a high-end feel. A walk-in shower feels luxurious, and frameless glass doors maximize visual space. Buyers love storage. Choose linen cabinets or a vanity with drawers instead of open shelving. Install layered lighting and an efficient exhaust fan. Even simple changes like new mirrors, towel bars, and fresh grout can make a bathroom feel move-in ready. Thoughtful upgrades will boost resale value and create a space you'll love until it's time to sell.
Offering contractor and interior design services, Kalen Schmidt Design has the expertise for all your renovation, design, and decorating needs. Let us help you design a home you love and will be proud to show off.